Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Kids Makeup Bag is probably one of the most exciting and imaginative gifts you can give to a young aspiring artist, offering them a safe and fun way to explore their creativity and experiment with colors and styles, all within a dedicated space that encourages pretend play and self-expression, making it a perfect addition to their toy collection and a gateway to a world of playful beauty exploration. Number 5. Deanfun Unicorn 3D Printing Cosmetic Bag. Crafted from soft polyester, this makeup bag features a vivid 3D print. Its surface is also waterproof, ensuring your belongings stay protected. Stand out with our unique 3D printing technology. Choose from a variety of cute, elegant, and funny designs that are perfect for any season. Measuring 8.65 by 5.35 by 7.08 inches, it easily holds your makeup essentials like lipstick and eyeshadow. It even fits your makeup brushes and lipsticks perfectly. This versatile bag is perfect for women on the go, whether for travel, business, or simply organizing items at home. It's your go-to organizer for any outing. Beyond just a makeup bag, it's a functional organizer for your cosmetics, toiletries, and travel essentials. Use it for vacations, gym trips, camping, and more. What we like? This one features a durable and waterproof polyester material with vivid 3D printing. If you're looking for a makeup bag that can withstand a bit of wear and tear and keep your items dry, this is a great choice. It's perfect for everyday use or travel where spills might happen. What people say. The makeup bag is a good size for kids, not too big and not too small. It comes with a variety of pretend makeup items, including lipstick, eyeshadow, and blush. The makeup pieces are designed to look realistic but are made of safe, non-toxic materials. Number 4. Magefy Small Makeup Bag. Introducing the Magefy Small Makeup Bag, your perfect companion for on-the-go beauty. This compact and stylish bag is designed to keep your essentials organized and protected. Never worry about spills or leaks again. Its waterproof design ensures your cosmetics stay safe and dry, while its portable size makes it ideal for any travel adventure. Keep your makeup neatly arranged with this thoughtfully designed pouch. The secure zipper closure guarantees everything stays in place, no matter where you go. Experience ultimate convenience with its lightweight construction. It adds no extra bulk to your luggage, making it a breeze to carry around. Add a touch of personality to your travel gear with this adorable sloth-themed design. It's a fun and practical choice for makeup lovers. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a daily commute, this bag is designed to simplify your life. It's the essential accessory for any makeup enthusiast. What we like? This option is praised for being waterproof, lightweight, and portable. If you need a no-fuss, easy-to-carry makeup bag that protects your essentials from moisture, this is ideal. It's perfect for those who prioritize convenience and protection on the go. What people say. The makeup bag is a good size for kids, not too big and not too small. It comes with a variety of makeup items, including eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, and brushes. The makeup is washable and non-toxic, making it safe for children to use. Number 3. TOPEAST Initial Makeup Bag. Introducing the TOPEAST Initial Makeup Bag, a perfect gift for kids and teens. It's designed to be both stylish and functional for everyday use. Crafted from premium PU leather, this bag is waterproof, fade-resistant, and built to last. You can trust its durability for all your essentials. Make it uniquely yours with a personalized touch. It features a beautiful gold glitter chenille patch with your initial, adding a special flair. Measuring 8.3 inches x 3.5 inches x 4.9 inches, it's conveniently sized to fit in your hand or bag. This makes it easy to store and carry wherever you go. This bag isn't just for makeup, it's multi-purpose. It can hold cosmetics, toiletries, office supplies, and so much more, keeping your items organized. With 26 letter styles to choose from, it's the perfect personalized gift. Ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because, it's sure to delight. What we like? This bag stands out with its personalized initial design and premium, water-resistant PU leather. If you're looking for a unique gift or a stylish personal accessory, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for girls and teens who love a touch of personalization and a chic look. What people say. The makeup bag is well made and durable, perfect for little ones. It comes with a variety of pretend makeup items, including lipstick, eyeshadow, and blush. The bag itself is designed to look like a real makeup case, with a mirror and compartments for organizing the makeup. Number 2. Hunger Ballet Girl Makeup Cosmetic Tote Bag. Introducing the Hunger Ballet Girl Makeup Cosmetic Tote Bag. It's the perfect blend of style and practicality for your beauty essentials. Keep all your makeup and cosmetics neatly organized. This tote bag makes it easy to find what you need, when you need it. Choose from 14 beautiful and unique patterns to match your personal style. Express yourself with a design that speaks to you. Crafted for durability, this carry case is perfect for everyday use or travel. It's designed to be both sturdy and easy to take on the go. Whether you're heading to work, a night out, or a vacation, this tote bag is your ideal companion. It's the ultimate accessory for any makeup lover. What we like. This tote bag offers a variety of ballet-themed patterns. If you or the recipient is a fan of ballet and needs a stylish tote for makeup or other small items, this is a wonderful choice. It's perfect for adding a touch of artistic flair to your daily routine or travel. What people say. Nicely made, zipper works well. Makes a good makeup pouch or a bag to put in a larger bag. Well made and holds a lot of cosmetic items. The material feels almost like plastic, so I don't worry about my product spilling in it. Easy to clean. Roomy and has a stiffness to it. Number 1. Fluffy Faux Fur Unicorn Makeup Bag. Introducing our adorable unicorn makeup bag, perfect for all your cosmetic needs. Its soft faux fur exterior makes it a delight to touch. This small organizer is ideal for travel, easily fitting into your luggage or handbag. Keep your essentials tidy on the go. Crafted with a plush, cozy feel, this bag adds a touch of fun to your daily routine. It's as charming as it is functional. Use it to store makeup, toiletries, or other small items. It's a versatile kit case designed for convenience. Whether for women, girls, or kids, this cute bag is a wonderful gift. It brings a touch of magic to anyone's collection. What we like. This makeup bag is made from fluffy faux fur with a cute unicorn design. If you love all things soft, plush, and whimsical, this is the bag for you. It's perfect for kids and anyone who enjoys a touch of playful luxury in their accessories. What people say. The makeup bag is a good size for kids, not too big and not too small. It comes with a variety of makeup items, including eyeshadow, blush, lipstick, and brushes. The makeup is washable and non-toxic, making it safe for children to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.